Slow replies create no-shows. Fix the delay, reduce cancellations. Today we will look at why delayed replies quietly erode your schedule, where the bottlenecks usually hide, and simple ways to use automation and AI to respond faster without losing the human touch. Picture a scenario where a new lead texts your business at 7:42 p.m. asking if you have openings next week. No one sees it until the next morning. By then, they have already booked somewhere else. Imagine a local med spa that confirms appointments only by email. The client misses the email, never gets a reminder, and forgets the appointment. The team blames the client. The client blames the business. The root issue was slow or unclear response. Here's the first key insight. Time to first response shapes trust and momentum. When someone reaches out, they are in decision mode. Every minute that passes increases the chance they contact someone else or second-guess the appointment. A fast, relevant reply does not have to solve everything. A simple message that says, "We got your request. Here is the next step," keeps momentum and lowers anxiety. Here is the second key insight. Uncertainty leads to no-shows more than intent does. Most missed appointments are not because people do not care. They are unsure about the details, they forget, or they cannot easily reschedule. Delayed replies add to that uncertainty. Clear confirmations, simple prep instructions, and easy reschedule options remove friction. When it is easy to understand and easy to change, people show up. Here's the third key insight. Systems beat heroics, especially outside business hours. You cannot rely on a person to respond within minutes every time. You can design a simple system that acknowledges every inquiry fast, routes it to the right place, and follows up without nagging. When I say automation, I mean preset actions that happen after a trigger. For example, when a form is submitted, send a text confirmation. When I say AI here, I mean software that can read a message and draft a helpful reply you control. You decide what it can send on its own and what it sends for review. Let's turn those insights into action. First, map your response gaps. For 1 week, track how long it takes for your business to reply to new messages by phone, text, website form, and social DMs. Use a simple timer and write it down. Second, set a clear response promise by channel. For example, during business hours, aim for 5 minutes on text and 15 minutes on email. After hours, use an automatic message that sets expectations and offers a next step, like a self-booking link. Third, build a fast first response for each channel. Draft a short template that acknowledges the request, gives one clear next step, and asks one question if needed. Keep it human and plain. Your first reply should be under 300 characters on text and under 5 sentences on email. Fourth, confirm and remind the smart way. Send an instant confirmation that includes date, time, location, what to expect, and how to reschedule in one click. Schedule reminders at 24 hours and 2 hours before the appointment, and add a same-day morning reminder for high no-show services. Fifth, add light AI where it helps. Use an AI assistant to triage messages, fill in templates, and suggest replies that your team approves with one tap. Start with low-risk cases like FAQs, directions, and reschedule requests, then expand as you see consistent quality. Consider a home services company that books estimates. After mapping their response gaps, they find nights and weekends are the problem. They set a response promise, add an after-hours text that links to booking, and use an AI assistant to draft replies to common questions for staff to approve in the morning. Clients now get a helpful touch within minutes, and appointments are confirmed with clear reminders. Speed is not pushy, it is respectful. A fast, clear reply tells people their time matters and yours does too. If you want help applying this in your workflow, reach out and I will walk you through it. We will set up simple rules, light automation, and clear messages that fit your brand.